Hello, my name is Fiona. Today we are here at Kingfisher Apartments and we are basically here to look at electrical work in your apartment. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching this from. Today we have our guest, which is electrician. He's going to take us through the wiring of the house. I'll let him introduce himself.
My name is Agwa Andrew, and I want to show you how I'm going to use the electrical things. Starting from main switch,
Yes.
which is control all house. We have 4 breakers: socket, cooker, and light. All. When you say anything is off, that means breaker is cut off. Any short circuit, this breaker can be off. Then you find what the problem was. What is it? It's cut off. Another,
A bedroom?
you have a bedroom here.
Yes.
You have one switch here. When you enter the bedroom, you put on that switch. And the time to sleep, this is called bed switch. You can sleep, then switch off. Put on there, you can off here. Then you can put on here, then you can this side, you switch off.
Okay.
And this is heater switch. Heater switch and the bathroom light. That's the one.
All right, we proceed to the living area. There are many sockets right here.
Now, this one we call cooker unit. When you have the cook oven, we are using this one.
Okay.
You connect here, cooker, then this off and on. Then that's the cooker. That socket can be there if you like a kettle. You can put plug there. Then start like percolator there. The same as this one.
Okay, how about this one?
This one. This one, even this one for
Heating water?
the heater. But the heater, this one for heater.
Okay.
This is for heater. Yeah.
Is that one connected to this one? Water?
Heating water. Then you come and mix it accordingly.
Oh, okay. Yes, we have another socket right here.
Yeah, that's the socket. And you have anything, TV, whatever. This is a socket we are using, that one. Socket.
I think there are the same sockets right
same
here
socket.
and sockets right here.
Same.
When we are in the corridor here, what are these sockets for?
This switch, one for light here, another light for
bathroom.
Yeah.
The master bedroom.
Master bedroom. You have one switch here. This is